Hey, it's Ryan, and I'm a product engineer with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video for the Arbsession Speedline Rigging Kit. There are two Speedline rigging kits available. You can either get it with 12 rigging slings or 6 Speedline slings. And in the 6 Speedline sling rigging kit, you get two 24-inch blue slings, you get two 30-inch yellow slings, and two 36-inch orange slings. Each Speedline sling is rated at 29 kilonewtons, as well as the Arbsession double action lanyard snap, which is rated at 40 kilonewtons in the longitudinal axis. When you get the 12 sling Speedline rigging kit, you will also receive two 18-inch pink slings, two 42-inch silver slings, as well as two 48-inch red slings. In both the 6 and 12 sling Speedline rigging kits, you'll also receive two Arbsession Speedline Bales that are put together by our Arbsession splicing team, which really keeps your slings tidy, clean, and accessible. The Arbsession Speedline rigging kit is a really valuable tool to have on this job and will definitely help you increase your productivity and efficiency as well as safety. You can find your Arbsession Speedline rigging kit at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.